My video is about removing the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site topcontactinc.com. Topcontactinc.com is a new malicious website. Right now it attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to make you click on a special allow button in order to make you subscribed to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed in the form of push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, your browser will be hijacked with such intrusive advertisements. If you have clicked on allow, you should fix your browser urgently, and this is the way you do it. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go down to Permissions section and select Notifications. You need to pay careful attention to all these sites that are allowed to send notifications, and when you find this topcontactinc.com, be sure to remove it from the list. And don't be afraid to remove other junk sites if they are causing such troubles on your computer screen. So make sure you get rid of all these deceptive sites, and this is the best way to fix your browser manually and for free. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start carefully researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.